Hi everyone. So today I'm going to talk about how you can how you can update your Google Play Store, and because when you go to Google Play Store and then you open your account, you go to manage apps and device, and then there you can be able to see information about your updates, which like you can see here. It says that updates are available, and then it says 12 pending. So you can click on see details, and then you can see the number of apps that need the updating that are here. So you can choose to update which of them depending on the data that you have, or you can choose to update all of them will update. But then what do you do when you want to update Google Play Store itself? Because it's important that your Google Play Store is up to date, because that can cause some of your applications, not to download successfully, or for you to have problems. For example, work. I want to try to download Upwork. I've been trying to download this app, but it's telling me that it cannot be downloaded on my device. So go to Google Chrome, and then I search for Upwork app. You can see from here. I click on this, and it gives me options here. So there's Upwork for freelancers, Upwork for clients. I'll choose the one for freelancers. When I click on it, it goes straight to Google Play Store, and as you can see, that message comes there. The one in red says that your device isn't compatible with this version. So sometimes some of these errors come about if your Google Play Store is not updated, and then at times it can come as a result of the version of your device. Each phone, your Android device, has its version. If it is lower than the requirements for the application, you get such an error. But on the other hand, also, if your Google Play Store is not up to date, it will bring such an error. Now let me close this and I show you how exactly you can update your Google Play Store. So you go to your Play Store, click on Play Store. Under settings, the general network preferences, authentication, family. You go then about. So here you choose about. Under about, you see about Google Play, open source licenses, and then Play Store version. As you can see, the one I have is version 33.0.16-21. Now, if I want to update my Play Store, I just click on that the green text, upload Play Store. When I click on it, it says a new version of Google Play Store will be downloaded and installed. After that, you just leave it. It will be updating in the background. It won't show like any other apps that it is updating. So you just let it update. Once it is done, it will you can check later, and it will show you. You will see the difference. You will see the change in the version that has updated. Once it is done, for it updates in the background. It doesn't do like the others where you can see the percentage of updates, that it's on 2%, and so on and so forth. So you can go ahead and click away from Google Play Store and give it some few seconds, and then you can come back. Alright, so guys, as you can see now, if I click on Google Play Store, it brings me this message that app isn't installed, which means that message always you see it when an application is updating in the background. It doesn't allow you to open it. because the update is in progress. So that's why when I click on Google Play Store, it refuses to open and it tells you app isn't installed. Until when it is done installing, that's when you can click on it and then it opens. So let's give it some few more minutes and then we can click and see if it opens. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and click on our application and then see if it has finished to install. There you go. So it has opened. We go back to our account. Then we go to about. And then we go down. So as you can see, it shows me here that version 33.1.16-21. That is the one that it shows that it has updated to. So that is how you update your Google Play Store.